In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show payments on an invoice in QuickBooks Online. If you're managing your business finances with QuickBooks Online, it's important to have a clear understanding of how payments are tracked and recorded against your invoices. Whether you're trying to confirm a payment has been received, review the details of a partial payment, or simply ensure your records are accurate, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the process. And if you're new to QuickBooks Online, you'll find a link in the description to create your account and get started. Now let's dive right in. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and look to the left-hand navigation bar. This is the main menu where you'll find all the key tools and features. Click on it to reveal the options. Next, select Sales from the menu. This is where all of your sales-related data, such as invoices and payments, is stored. Once you're in the Sales section, click on the Invoices tab. This will pull up a complete list of all your invoices, making it easy to locate the one you want to review. Now, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find the specific invoice you're looking for. Once you've located it, click on the invoice to open up its details. When you click on the invoice, a panel will open on the right-hand side of your screen. This is the Details panel, and it contains all the information related to the selected invoice. In this panel, look for the section labeled Invoice Activity. This is where you'll find a chronological breakdown of all actions and updates related to the invoice, including payments received.
As you review the Invoice Activity section, pay close attention to any entries that indicate payments. These entries will include the payment date, the amount paid, and sometimes a note or reference for additional context.
For an even more detailed look, click on the hyperlink that appears with each payment entry. This link will take you directly to the related payment record. Once you're in the payment record, verify the key details. Check how the payment was received, for example, via bank transfer or credit card. Confirm the account to which the payment was deposited and review whether the payment was made in full or as part of a partial payment. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily review payments applied to any invoice in QuickBooks Online, ensuring your records are up to date and accurate. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.